Welcome to SystemVerilog course, and in this chapter we are discussing about copying technique in SystemVerilog. So before copying technique in SystemVerilog, you should understand the previous video concept, that is pointing one memory with two handles like handle 1 and handle 2. Okay, so in copying we are copying memory. Okay, we are not copying handles. Handles are just the pointers which will point towards that memory. Now generally we have two types of method, that is shallow copy and deep copy. So without any delay we will start with our main topic, that is shallow copy. Shallow means we will not copy everything. So nested objects are not copied. Okay, nested objects means, for example, this is one class A and inside that there is class B. Okay, so class A memory will be copied but class B memory will be not copied. Okay, so this is nested handle. Okay, this will not copy, only class A will copy. That this statement means only instance handle are copied with the means of changes that the nested copied object will be a reflect on nested original object and vice versa. So this will we will understand this first. What is our shallow copy in detail? So let's say we have our class as our transaction class. Okay, inside there is one num as a with our integer. Okay, one variable, and inside this one another class is there which we will name as R, let's say. Okay, and inside that R we have one variable as Z. Okay, so this is our setup. Now in shallow copy what happens, for example, T1 is created one handle, okay, which has our num property because we have copied this memory. Okay, and we also created T2 as an handle which will also create one memory, okay, which will also have separate num as a variable. Okay, so these two are separate memory. With whatever we write in this, they will have separate memory. Okay, but what will happen in shallow copy, if we
Hit subscribe, like, and comment now. Let's begin the journey of verification.
this memory, which is our Z memory, it will not copy it. Z will have a shared memory. Now what this affect is that whenever you change t1.z equal to 1, t2.z also will also display 1. Okay, this will display 1. Okay, this is for display statement. Okay, this is display 1. But and when you change our t2.z equal to 1, then t1 will also